Hi, this is Lavina here with you, and welcome back to my channel. Today actually is not going to be a new topic. It is one of the topic that I had did the first video of my channel, that is an introduction video. But since whenever I go back to my YouTube channel and see those first four videos, I am like, yeah, of course, that was without experience, and I always feel that yes, I should do something, redo it or do it a little better way, like because when I started, I had no clue how should I keep my camera, how should I talk, what are the things that are required, how should I adjust the lightings and editing and all that. So there was absolutely zero knowledge. So that videos are not something that I personally like it. So I'm assuming no one will like it. Sorry. So I decided I am going to redo all the first four videos, and will make it in a better way and little more clearer. Maybe if there is requirement to add some more contents or some more details, I will do that also. So first of all, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. This is Lavina Pinto here with you, and let's dive into my introduction video right now. So let's begin the introduction video. Okay, my name is Lavina Pinto. I'm basically from Bangalore, a place in Karnataka in India, born and brought up there. And now currently I live in Dubai. It's been almost 16 plus years in Dubai. I was working for a corporate company which gave me my lifestyle, my future, whatever I'm right now. So I have been working here for a long time, and recently in 2019 I quit my job and I decided I have done the things that I wanted to do. So now I want to take a break. I was planning to take a long break, but in between, what happened is I got new offers and everything. So I ended up joining two companies after 2019. And now again, I quit them, and now I'm back again. Basically, now I'm back to start my own side hustle journey, which I started in 2019 when I quit the corporate job of mine. But then I felt that I need to give more time. I have to learn a lot of things and everything. So here I'm back on that journey of mine now. Now, every time I have taken some steps which are out of my comfort zone, like for example, leaving my parents' house to come to Dubai. That is one of the biggest turn in my life. Second thing is marrying the person whom I loved. Third thing is the leaving my corporate job, which was paying me a very big paycheck and very established company. These three main things in my life have turned my life's graph actually, because they have given me an experience in life. Maybe if I wouldn't do this, maybe I wouldn't experience that. And these experiences were all good. I started my side hustle journey in 2019 when I left my corporate job. I started it through a blog. But my keen interest was to start a YouTube channel. But then I was very camera conscious, and I had a lot of self doubt, which I do have even now. But then they have become better right now. As you see my last few videos, at least you can understand that. So I have had zero knowledge when I started my journey. So I felt that I should study a little bit more, learn things, experiment things, explore what are the things that I am good at, and what are the things that I can start creating and everything, all these things. So there were a lot of things which I wanted to do, and I told myself that I will give certain time, like maybe 3-4 years or whatever, and explore things as much, whether it is any kind of thing, except for huge investments, because I'm not for huge investment. So I started my journey with blogging, and then I went on social media. I tried on my hands on freelancing, and now I'm back on YouTube channel. So basically I've been exploring and I've been enjoying whatever I've been doing. I have been learning a lot over the years from different platforms, from different people, from coaches, and a lot more through YouTube videos and everything. So every day has been a learning journey in my life. So why I started my YouTube channel? Now I started my YouTube channel because I started it pretty late, but it is never too late to start anything. There is a lot of scope for learning and starting, or anything you can do. It's your choice actually. Now on this YouTube channel, basically I'm going to talk about my life, my journey, my whatever I feel like about myself. Apart from this, another important factor that I'll be talking about here will be my side hustle journey. Now, as I'm a pursuing side hustle coach, where I help working women start a side hustle, figure out their niche, and help them to monetize their side hustles at some point of time. So having exploring my own journey and understanding different platforms, be it blogging, be it social media, be it freelancing, and now YouTube, I think I am good enough to explain people and help people how they can start their journey and how they can eventually grow with it. So these are the few things that I am going to do on my YouTube channel. In the meantime, there is no limitations in my thing because I enjoy a lot of doing a lot of things at a time. Preferably, I love arts, I love cooking, I love my pets, I love myself. I'm a self-obsessed person. So there are a lot of things that I'm going to talk about here. And surely it is all going to be entertainment and surely knowledgeable. And there will be something that somebody can learn and it will help them at some point of time, especially the side hustle part at least. Now, having said all this, this is all about me as of now, and rest of the things will be discussed on each and every video, which as and when they come up, with the different topics and very interesting contents for sure. If you think you need any help with regards to your side hustle journey, or to start a side hustle, or to niche down yourself, or anything related to your side hustle, you can drop me an email. My email ID will be given below, or else you can follow me on my Instagrams. Currently, I run 3 Instagrams. One is about food. I will share all the tags here down below. Also one personal account where I share fun reels or something of that sort. There is another business account which is only for my side hustle journey. So if you are interested in learning some things, if you're trying to get some help and support, I think you should follow me on either of these accounts, considering whichever you prefer, So if you think you need any help, you can directly contact me and I will be more than happy to help you. And having said all this, thank you so much for listening to me. If you think you can start your journey and you're stuck somewhere, you know whom to approach right now. So I hope you will get in touch with me whenever you need it. And having said all this, thank you so much again, and hope to see you all in the next videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, and do not forget to like, share and comment. That's something the least you can do for me, and looking forward to your support as always. Thank you so much. This is Lavina signing off. Bye.